A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. Dinky, the spider, lived in a deep dark cave. One day, he tried to catch some bees, but they flew away. He tried to catch some grasshoppers, but they too hopped away. He thought, I must do something fast. I am feeling hungry. He wove a big web inside the cave. Then he went outside. A swarm of flies were playing outside the cave. He sat quietly. He didn't try to catch them. Why are you not catching us? Asked the young flies. Dinky said, Today is my birthday. I will not eat you. I have come to invite you for my birthday party. There are some sweets in my cave. Please come and eat them. The flies danced around Dinky, but he lay still. The flies said to one another, Dinky will do us no harm. Let's go and have the sweets. Dinky is lying. Don't trust him, said an old fly. Keep quiet, said the other flies. Dinky said, You can trust me. I will stay outside the cave. Some of you can go inside and eat the sweets, and some of you can wait outside. Some of the bold flies went into the cave. An hour passed by. The flies did not come out of the cave. The flies waiting outside were restless. They said, Why aren't the flies coming out? Dinky said, I think all your friends are very greedy. They want to eat all the sweets. The flies outside the cave said, We too want to eat sweets. Let's go inside. The flies flew into the cave. As the cave was dark, they couldn't see. They flew right into Dinky's web. There were no sweets in the cave. Dinky had tricked the flies. Ha! 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 He laughed and ate them.